Hello, Frank's Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Sure, is that takeout or delivery?
Delivery, please.
Can I get your name and address, please?
Of course, my name is Richard Blair. My address is 123 Meadowlark Avenue.
Great. What time do you want your pizza delivered?
At 5 p.m., please.
Okay, what size pizza would you like? We have large, medium, and small.
Large, please.
What toppings would you like? We have tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, mushrooms, olives, green peppers.
I would like tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, mushrooms, and green peppers, please.
Sure. Any side dishes? We have garlic bread and 2 kinds of salad.
Sure, garlic bread and a green salad, please.
Any drinks with that? We have many kinds of soft drinks.
Yes, please. I'll take a medium Coke, please.
So that's a large pizza with tomato sauce, cheese, pineapple, mushrooms, and green peppers, garlic bread, a green salad, and a medium Coke for delivery. Your total will be $58.20 with GST, payable at the door.
Great, thank you.
Find more online lesson plans and other resources for your class of ESL beginners on the ESL Directions website.